How do I fix undercooked rice?
Hey there! We've all been there. You followed the recipe, waited patiently, and then you bite into your rice only to find it still crunchy. Don't worry. Today, we're going to learn how to fix undercooked rice. It's easier than you might think, and by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to rescue any rice dish. No more crunchy rice.
Why is my rice undercooked?
First things first, let's understand why rice might end up undercooked. 1. Insufficient water, perhaps the most common reason. Rice needs a specific amount of water to cook perfectly. 2. Cooking time. Maybe you didn't let it simmer for long enough. 3. Inconsistent heat. If the heat is too low, it won't cook properly. Too high, and you risk burning the bottom while the top remains undercooked.
How do I fix it?
1. The steam method. If you discover your rice is slightly undercooked after the cooking process, don't panic. Simply add a splash of water, about 2 tablespoons for every cup of rice. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and let it steam on low heat for another 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the rice to absorb more moisture and cook thoroughly. 2. The microwave method. If you're short on time, transfer the undercooked rice to a microwave-safe dish. Sprinkle some water over the rice. Cover the dish with a microwave-safe lid or wrap. Microwave on medium power for 2 to 3 minutes, then check. If needed, continue in 30-second intervals until the rice is fully cooked. 3. The oven method. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Place the undercooked rice in an oven-safe dish. Add a bit of water. Again, about 2 tablespoons for every cup of rice. Cover the dish with aluminum foil to trap the steam. Bake for about 20 minutes, checking halfway through.
How do I prevent this in the future?
Prevention is better than cure. Here are some tips to ensure perfect rice every time. 1. Measure your rice and water. Stick to the ratios recommended for your rice type. 2. Use a heavy-bottomed pot. This ensures even heat distribution. 3. Maintain a consistent simmer. Once boiling, reduce the heat to maintain a gentle simmer to avoid rapid water loss. And there you have it. No more worries about undercooked rice. With these methods in your culinary toolkit, you're well equipped to handle any rice mishap. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, every chef, no matter how experienced, encounters little challenges in the kitchen. What's important is how we adapt and overcome. Happy cooking!